Are you looking for a lightweight travel scooter that's packed with excellent features and has a classy design? The Buzz Around Carry-On Mobility Scooter from Golden Technology is portable, folds easily, and can take you almost anywhere, and it could be a great mobility option for you. My name is Jeff. I'm a product expert here at MedMart, and I've been a registered nurse for over 25 years. So what really makes this scooter different than all the other scooters that I've worked with, a lot of them are designed to break down and travel easily. You have to break them apart into 4 pieces. You still have some heavy individual pieces to lift, but overall there's a lot of great travel scooters out there. This has the unique ability to actually almost turn it into almost like a rolling suitcase. Take the seat off, which is lightweight, take the battery off first, and now the main scooter ends up being 47.5 pounds. So if you try to do a straight lift on that, it can be tough, but there's some great handles all the way around this that make it easier to lift that way. Especially the ones on the side, it's perfectly balanced to almost carry it like a suitcase. But if you are someone that has some lifting difficulties, or just in general, a great way to travel with this is to be able to fold it down, lift it up. From there, I take my car, and in my case, I'm showing a demonstration with my SUV, and I basically take the front wheels, lean up against the bumper, and then from there, I just can basically lift the back of the scooter and roll it into the car. What's nice is it really decreases the amount of weight that you have to lift at one time immensely. We actually did a test to see what it was like, and using a luggage scale, lifted up the scooter beforehand, and it came in right about the 47, 48 pound mark. So we knew we were pretty accurate. Then I went ahead and tested it, lifting the back end to see how much weight I was actually lifting. And it looked like we were right about 25 to 26 pounds. So it almost cut it in half how much I actually have to lift. And that difference makes a big amount of difference when I'm trying to lift that and get it in the car. And that way when you get to your destination, it's easy to pull back out, reassemble in just about under a minute, and you're back on your way and traveling. The seat itself comes in at just under 12 pounds with the arms on there, so that makes it easy to lift and easy to handle. And the battery itself weighs only 6 pounds. It's a lithium-ion battery, and that's why it makes it so lightweight and easy to handle. A lot of scooters, power chairs, things like that, the battery case itself can weigh over 30 pounds. Lithium-ion batteries typically last longer. They're also much quicker to charge, and typically they'll keep a fuller energy all the way through the day while you're having it, so that you finally get to the end of the battery capacity. Another great thing with this scooter is it features a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. The range on this is 18 miles with standard use. There's a charging port available on the battery itself, or there's also one up here on the tiller, so you have a couple options which makes it super easy to charge the scooter. A few things also else to consider about the scooter is it does feature a 4-inch high clearance underneath the scooter, which makes it easy to maybe travel over low-cut grass, over light gravel, things like that. But for the overall, this is a scooter that's designed for go over semi-flat surfaces, traveling to and from the car, vacationing, going out to the park, things like that. I want to show you what it looks like with me sitting on the scooter. So I'm 5'10", 210 pounds. And actually, was really surprised when I first sat on this for the first time and started test riding it. It actually gives you more room than you think. But remember, the main goal of this scooter is to be able to travel with and make it easy to get in and out of your car and reset up and get traveling. So right now, I have 2 little foot pads in the front that I'm taking advantage of to kind of get a little more leg room. In the front here is a basket, which makes it really easy and convenient to keep something close to me. This will come apart easily and travel with you if you need to, or just fold it up when you go to travel in the car. One of the most important things that are at the top here is what they call the tiller tilt control. So basically it allows me to customize this scooter to me. So on the fly, I'm able to squeeze this and bring it close to me. If I need it closer, if I need a little more leg room, want to bring it forward a little bit, makes it very easy to adjust it. So starting from the top, we have our control for rabbit and turtle mode. So either keeping it slow controlled or allow me to go full speed. We have the key to turn it on. And we have our battery indicator that gives us an idea how much charge is left in the batteries. We have also then our controllers, so it makes it easy to control the throttle from either side. So if for some reason I'm using my left hand, I can either push forward or push back. So it gives you controls from either side. You have reverse and forward. We also have a water bottle holder. Makes it easy and convenient to keep a bottle of water nearby you. This offers a great comfortable seat. It's a 15-inch wide. They have armrests on both sides. There is no adjustability, so keep that in mind. But it does make it easy to swing out. You can do both sides, so it makes it easier to exit in and out of the scooter. So taking a look at the back of the seat, we have a little pocket back here to keep small items. The seat will fold down easily, as we talked about, for being able to travel with it. In order to release it off there's a little handle in the front. I'm going to pull on that. It allows me to lift the seat straight up. You also notice there's a little handle on the back, which makes it easy to kind of carry the seat to and from your car. And when you do re-engage the seat back on there, you have to pull the handle again, which causes it to drop back into place. This particular scooter does not have one of the accessory hitches in the back, so you cannot put an oxygen tank on here or any of the baskets that you see for some scooters. So coming down a little further on the scooter, we have what's called the neutral and drive switch. This particular one is electronic. So as soon as I flip the switch, The scooter now goes into neutral, and typically you may need to use this if for some reason the battery dies, the motor stops working, or you just want to push it a short distance and you don't want to turn it back on. That's an easy way to do that. The Golden Buzz Around Carry-On offers excellent portability, function, and durability with a great design. If you have any more questions about this scooter or any of the other scooters we have here at MedMart, our product navigators are standing by and ready to help you. Give them a call or just continue to browse our website here at medmart.com.